Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account is locked. Your account was locked because our team determined it violated our community guidelines. So moreover, it will be provided with a kind of community guidelines you have violated. So it is written so that you can simply find this kind of pop-up notification. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on appeal decision, and here you can simply explain to the Snapchat team that you have not violated this kind of guidelines, and this has been done by error. So after that, you can simply request Snapchat to recover your account as soon as possible. But if you have already done that, then you can simply go for a new method, which is as that you have to simply close this page and you have to simply open a new browser, and you can simply open Safari browser or browser you have, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Support, and after that you can simply click on Snapchat Support section, and here you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that you will find the forms so that you have to simply fill that form, and after that you can simply tell the Snapchat team that your account is showing this kind of error. So here you can simply provide here your username, your email address, your mobile number, and you can simply explain here the problem to the Snapchat team. Hello Snapchat team, and I try to log in my Snapchat account, it shows your account has been locked for violating our community guidelines. Even though I have not violated any kind of community guidelines, kindly help me in this regard. I shall be very thankful to you. So in this way, you can simply fill all the detail in that Snapchat support form, and you have to make sure that you have not misguided the Snapchat support team. Moreover, you can also fill that CAPTCHA here, and after filling the CAPTCHA, you can simply click on submit, and your request will be submitted to the Snapchat support team, and you within few days you will get a reply on your Snapchat email address you have provided on your Snapchat request. So you have to regularly check whether your email address, and after that you can simply check whether your account will be recovered or not.